Let Garmin show you how to create waypoints and routes on your compatible Garmin GPSMAP chart plotter. For this process, we will be using a GPSMAP 9213 XSV, but the process is similar on other compatible GPSMAP units. First, select the Home button from any screen. Select Charts. Next, select Nav Charts. The navigation chart provides navigation data available on your preloaded maps and from supplemental maps if available. There are two methods to create a waypoint. The first method can be performed by pressing and sliding your finger on the display to pan to the intended destination. Tap the desired location to create a waypoint. A gray circle with crosshairs will appear showing you precisely where you have selected. You will see the latitude, longitude, distance from your location, and the GPS heading in the top left of the screen. Select the Waypoint button to create a waypoint. You will now see a gray box with an assigned number for your waypoint. Select the gray box to modify the waypoint. Here, you will have the ability to edit, delete, move, or navigate to select Edit. Options such as name and symbol can be changed to your liking. Position allows you to move the waypoint by entering coordinates using your chart, your current position, or by entering range and bearing. The depth and temperature will display when you mark a waypoint on the water and have a transducer. You can even add a comment. Select Close in the bottom right-hand corner to navigate back to the navigation chart. The second method to create a waypoint can be performed by selecting Where To. Then select Waypoints. Select New Waypoint. You will then see the option to create a waypoint by entering coordinates, using your chart, your current position, or by entering range and bearing. Routes can also be created with the GPSMAP series. Select the Close button to go back to the navigation chart. You will have two options to use when making a route: Go To and Route To. First, select your desired destination by tapping the point of interest on the screen. Then, select Go To at the top of the screen. A message will prompt, giving the option to engage the autopilot if the boat has a Garmin autopilot connected. Selecting Go To allows you to create and immediately navigate a route on the navigation or fishing chart. This method does not save the route and provides a direct course and a corrected course which may pass over land or shallow water. Use visual sightings and steer to avoid land, shallow water, and other dangerous objects. Selecting Route To will allow you to create turns from the point of interest to your current position. First, locate and tap your desired location. Crosshairs will appear over your select destination. Then, select Route To. To create the route, press and hold the crosshairs. Then, move it to where you would like to add a turn. Select Add Turn on the top right corner to create a turn. Repeat this step to add turns, working backward from the destination to your present position. You can also remove a turn by selecting Undo. Select Done when you are done making turns. The course is indicated by a magenta line. You will have the option to engage and follow the created route if you have a Garmin autopilot. Select Cancel. you will notice a navigation overlay when navigating the route. This overlay will show distance to destination, distance to next turn, an arrival to destination, and more. You will receive a notification and alarm stating you have arrived at your destination. Select Stop Navigating to stop navigation, or select OK to silence the notification. To save this route, select Where To. Then, select Routes and Auto Guidance. You will see information about the route, such as symbol, length, range, and more. Your new route will be labeled as Current Route. With the route highlighted, select Review. You will also see the options Edit or Save, Delete, and Navigate To. Navigate To will give you the option to follow the route forwards, backwards, or offset by following port or starboard, forward or backwards. Delete will delete the route. Select Edit or Save to modify or save the route. From here, you can select Save Route, Edit Turns, and Save as Boundary. Save as Boundary will create a boundary, which will allow you to avoid or remain in designated areas of water. Edit Turns will allow you to edit the turns. You will have the options to use chart or use turn list. Save Route will allow you to name and save the route. The route will then have a generated numerical name. Rename the route and select Done when it is finished. Navigate back to the chart screen by selecting Close. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel or visit marinesupport.garmin.com.